Yeah, I'm okay. That was especially around the my plant right here. That's the chayote plant. Let me get my mind. From the other side of the back. Yeah, just cut around the cord. Let me hide there.
Smells like a dead rat somewhere.
Oh, that's good. Pull out. There's a lot. Alright, I'm making my herby soup. This is stewing chicken. It's probably like half of the chicken. I don't know, maybe a cup and a half of chicken. Just estimating. There's lemongrass, 1 stalk, galangal, maybe like 1 thumb size. No, maybe 2 thumb size, maybe. I don't know, I'm just guessing. Ginger, maybe like a head of ginger. It's about this big. And the galangal, that's about maybe 3 pieces like this. So, and then the chicken boil. Since this is stewing chicken, it's gonna take a while for it to be soft. And I'll tell you what the seasoning is. So the water's almost gone. I'm gonna fill it up a little bit. Maybe about 2 more cups. Let it boil some more so that the chicken will be soft. Waiting, I'm gonna pound some chili pepper. It's about 6. And it depends on your, taste. If you like it spicy, you can put this much or even more. But if you don't like it spicy or you can't tolerate heat or spice, then you do less. You don't have to put any at all, but I feel like if you don't put it in, it just doesn't taste right. Just make sure all the seeds are out of the gas casing. That's good. It's been at least 45 minutes. I think I'm going to start to season my broth now. I'm going to use mushroom seasoning, and I'm just going to estimate how much I want. I think I'm going to put about, it's never the same because it depends on how much, you're making. I think I'm going to put 2 mushroom seasoning. And you could put MSG in if you want, but I'm not using MSG, I'm using mushroom seasoning. Okay, then to that, I'm going to add salt. I don't really measure it, just kind of pour it in, but I guess this is about 1 teaspoon. And I'm going to taste it, regardless. Okay, so I'm going to let that cook for a little bit, maybe a couple of minutes. I'm going to taste it before I add the fish sauce. All right, while that's going, I'm going to cut my long onion. I don't like it short. I kind of like it kind of long. So I'm probably just going to cut it maybe into 3rds. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to use all of this. It's like a lot. Well, maybe 4s because some of them are really long. But maybe like this long. That's about maybe what, 3 or 4 inches. It doesn't really matter. You could put other veggies in here, like napa cabbage. maybe just cabbage. But I'm using what I have in the garden. The smell is potent. Ooh. I think I'm gonna stop there for now because that looks like a lot. All right, onto this, I'm gonna add the chili. I'll put this last. It's gonna be spicy. Oh shoot. Just gonna try to get that one. Looks good. Mix this sucker down. Okay. I think it should be spicy enough. If it's not spicy enough, then you could, you know, put some more in. And the fish sauce, I think I'm gonna, hold on, a teaspoon first. I think that should be enough because I already put salt and it seems like there's enough salt. Ooh, spicy. To that, I'm gonna add the final product. Now, I might need to add more fish sauce because of the veggies. It might make it, you know, less flavorful. It's gonna wilt down. So you're just gonna turn it off and taste it. And if you want more, for it to be more salty, a fish sauce. And you could do it with regular chicken, but with regular chicken, you just have to. Yeah, this whole house is sick right now. With the regular chicken, you just have to turn this off. Cook less. I mean, you don't have to cook as long because it's not tough. You can just do wings if you want. Okay, you don't want the loin to be too cooked. This broth is hot enough that's going to cook it. Okay. I'm going to do a final taste. And I'll let you know. Oh, there's about maybe 4 to 5 cups of water in here. Okay, the water is just kind of covering the chicken. If the water's too high up, that means it's not gonna be as flavorful because, you know, it's kind of diluted. So you want to keep the water kind of like just covering or past the chicken level a little bit, if that makes sense. Taste it, and I think 1 more teaspoon would be good due to the long onions that I just put in. Just gonna stir it in. Very herby soup, really good. You can put it over jasmine rice or sticky rice. Okay.
You can't record me. You can one side of my face.
Okay, put the spoon over here.
Because I was touching it.
Okay.
Don't record me.
Okay, I won't record your face. How is it? Good? Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's good.
Here it is. It doesn't look hot, but it is hot. Let the husband come test it out. Sticky rice. Fresh from our garden herbs. Go ahead. Is it hot enough?
Mara.
Babe, it's hot. The broth.
Mara.
So both have a cold. Hopefully this will help. And I hold on. Good? Okay. How about the pot? See more pot. Some of you guys might not like long onions. Like I said, you could put like napa cabbage or dill or what's it called? Holy basil? No, lemon basil. Lemon basil. Paitu, that's lemon basil, right? Lemon basil, paitu. All right, I'm gonna eat now.